Today we will talk about non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience movement. Non-cooperation movement was launched under the guidance of Mahatma Gandhi on 5th September 1920 and it ended on 12th February 1922 with the Chauri Chaura incident on 5th February in the same year. The main objective of this non-cooperation movement was to get Swaraj, that is self-independence. After the merge of the Muslim League and the Indian National Congress, during the Khilafat movement, both Muslims and Hindus together followed this non-cooperation movement. And the main reasons for this non-cooperation movement were Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala Bagh incident and Khilafat movement. Now about civil disobedience movement. It was started in 1930 and it ended in 1931, its first phase, when Gandhiji was invited in the second round table conference in 1931 in London. But after he came back, he was disappointed by that round table conference. So he tried to start the civil disobedience movement again. But this movement has lost his rage because Muslims and Hindus were divided because of the British government. And the second phase of this civil disobedience movement ended in 1934. And the main reasons for this civil disobedience movement were the Salt Law, the Simon Commission. This civil disobedience movement was started at Dandi, where Gandhiji travelled from Champaran to 240 miles to Dandi to break the Salt Law. And at that moment, this civil disobedience movement started. The main objective of this civil disobedience movement was to get Swaraj as well as total independence from the British. In non-cooperation movement, everyone was taught to do not cooperate with the government and do not pay taxes and boycott all the civil services. But in civil disobedience movement, people are taught to disobey the government, the British government, and give up all their titles that were given by the British. Now the difference between the non-cooperation movement and the civil disobedience movement. Non-cooperation movement only lasted for about 1.5 years, whereas this civil disobedience movement completed in 2 phases and it took nearly 4 years. And the civil disobedience movement wanted total independence, whereas non-cooperation movement only wanted Swaraj. And civil disobedience movement was a more widespread movement as compared to the non-cooperation movement. And in non-cooperation movement, both Muslims and Hindus were there. But in civil disobedience movement, only Hindus and students and women were participated. Tomorrow we will talk about the German unification and Italian unification. Thank you.